We have with us Dr.Rewathi Raj, pediatric consultant of Apollo Hospitals. Let's move into the conversation. Dr. Raj, what are your thoughts on this momentous occasion where we launched Lanka eDoc with Apollo Hospitals?
I think it's a very momentous occasion here because telemedicine is the way forward for our patients, and it's my privilege and pleasure to be here as part of this occasion, interact with the ministers and the physicians and all of those who facilitated this whole program. And really, I think this is a way forward for Apollo Hospital and eDoc to work together to make sure that patients have access to healthcare right at their doorstep. So it's a very momentous occasion. Yeah.
How do you see healthcare progressing at a time where people use technology, and how would this type of convenience be beneficial to people?
So, good question. There are two aspects to this. First of all, as physicians, I think with artificial intelligence and access to information on Google, what we as physicians should practice is not on algorithms and different diagnostic methods, but to make sure we are compassionate and we give our patients time and listen, because that is the connect that people expect from us when they go to a physician. And for technology that brings people together, I think at the press of a button, a patient can have access to a specialist, and that is good for them because or a physician of their choice, because if they have concerns and their concerns are addressed, if it's an emergency, where should they go, they are guided correctly. Or if it is not something that they have to travel for long distances to reach a healthcare facility, it's an opportunity to help our community. So this is a great step forward in both ways.
What are 3 precautions to prevent cancer? Oncology is your subject. What is your advice to the audience?
So I deal with pediatric cancers, so there isn't much in the form of prevention for childhood cancer, except we always say eye cancers, retinoblastoma, are something that we can pick up using our simple cell phone. So each of us have a cell phone with which we take pictures, and when we take a picture of a little baby, both eyes should have the red eye reflex. So if the eye reflex is not red and it's white color, there's something wrong. So go to your physician, because eye cancers picked up in children early, we can save the eye and we can save their life. For an adult, I think all of us should focus on a healthy lifestyle, prevent obesity, eat a lot of fruits, fresh vegetables, avoid smoking, and lead a healthy life for prevention of cancer. But also preventative health checkup, for example, prostate specific antigen, which is a simple blood test for men, and a mammogram and a pap smear for women. These are all essential because the early stage cancers have such remarkably good outcomes. And from my own personal experience, my father had prostate cancer detected on PSA 17 years ago, and he's 85 and leading an active, healthy life. So this is something I'd recommend. What are the preventative checks for cancer for adults near your house? Which hospital has these facilities? Please avail of them.
Thank you very much, Dr. Raj. It has been a pleasure having you with us, and your knowledge that you have shared is absolutely invaluable. And as Dr. Raj said, if you're a parent and if you're giving your smartphone to kids, you need to be mindful, and there is something that you need to think of. So let's stay fit and healthy with all these advice, and let's move on as healthy citizens and build communities which are healthy across the world. We will see you soon.